Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blue from If. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down, and the same on the right side. And then a curve underneath to close off each eye. Now inside, let's draw a circle towards the bottom corner. And then one more inside each of these. And then color both of these in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve. And then bring it up and around on top. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. We'll start in the center and let's bring it out and curve it up, and the same on the other side. And then a small curve on both ends. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. On both sides, let's start near the eyebrows and let's draw a curve down and in. Now let's draw a curve down and back up on the left and on the right. Now top to the center and let's draw a curved piece of hair up and back down. And a smaller one on the right side. Now let's add another piece of hair next to it on the left. Let's draw a wavy line out and bring it back up. Now curve it out again and a wavy line back in. Now top on top and let's finish drawing the top of the head. On the top right, let's draw two pointed pieces of hair like this. Then on the right, let's curve it out and back in. And do the same thing going down. Now top back up to the top and let's draw a wavy line out and in. And continue drawing wavy pieces all the way down on the left. And that's it for the top of the head. Now let's move down and let's draw a few more pieces of hair underneath. Underneath in the center, let's draw two curves and a zigzag line in between. Now let's do a few more on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. On both sides of the head, let's draw a curve down and then bring it up at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw another curve down and back up. And then a curve in towards the center. Next, in the middle here, let's add the hands. Let's start with a U-shaped curve on both sides for the first finger. Then a curve on top. And then one more curve bringing it all the way back over like this. And then on top of each arm, a small line up. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back down and finish drawing the bottom half of the body. Underneath the arms, let's draw a curve down and bring it up at the bottom. Then another piece underneath. And then one more curve down and in. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw a curve across. Now in the gaps here, let's add the legs. From the sides, let's curve it down and out. And then 2 more angles in the center here. And then a curve across to close off each foot. And that's it for blue. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!